Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial in which I will attempt to do small walkthrough of simple drone wiring fix. Let's start from the patient. This is my very first quad, which I haven't flew for a couple of months, but I recently decided to fix it. It has few broken camera and video transmitter wires, so it doesn't have any video. If your memory is bad as mine is, I always try to start with taking some pictures. It will definitely help to put things together as they were. First step would be to cut out the wires from the connector. I decided to go with the new one, as this one is not really in good condition anymore. After I'm done with it, I can try matching the right connector. Unfortunately, I didn't have one. The one I need is JST S8 series, but only ones I had were Moloch's Picoblade, which are slightly thicker and their pins are more spread out. I bought one and changed the wires order to at least coloristically match 5V and ground. It's always helpful to have a wiring diagram of the part you're currently working on. After stripping wires to appropriate length, I've started tinning and soldering them together. It's time for our first test. Okay, no smoke coming out, so I think we're good. Let's try test with the goggles. And looks like we have a video, so we should be good. Now it's time to heat up the heat shrink tubes to secure the connection and clean up the wiring. Before I put the quad together, I will clean the boards with some alcohol cleaner and apply conformal coating to make it less prone to get potential water damage. One of the last things I've done, I've reapplied some electrical tape around the VTX antenna connector to make sure it won't get any noise from touching the frame, and at the end I used good old zip tie to secure it in place. That's it, guys. I hope you will find it helpful and enjoyed it. Happy flying!